Hey guys, how are you doing? Apple released iOS 26.4.1 and some users have asked question whether any new emojis released in this update or it's just about bug fixes. The iOS 26.4.1, as usual, Apple didn't mention anything in release notes, but in the previous iOS 26.4 version, we did receive some new emojis. Around 8 emojis have been released. You can see all of them here. The one is distorted face. You can search for these emojis with these keywords while chatting with your friend in any messaging app. When you switch to the emoji keyboard, for example, here in the keyboard, you can tap on the emoji face to search for that specific keyword to locate that emoji. So here you can see the first one is distorted face and the second one is Orca, trombone, Bigfoot, treasure chest, fight cloud, ballet dancer, and the landslide. So these 8 emojis are newly added in iOS 26.4, the earlier version, and right now we have the iOS 26.4.1 version Apple released just 3 days before with important bug fix. This update fixes iCloud sync related issues with Passwords app, Notes app, and all other third-party apps, if anything, using iCloud Kit to sync your data with the iCloud. So this is an important update. It is must to go for the update if you are experiencing any iCloud sync issues with your previous update. So the emoji update comes only in the earlier iOS 26.4 version. So if you are using iOS 26, 26.1 or 26.2 and 3 versions, then you can proceed with the update to receive all the important security fixes, because the 26.4.1 has no security fixes as per the Apple security updates document. But when you check with the 26.4, you can see Apple have fixed almost 30 important high critical security fixes, 20 plus important security fixes in all the core files, and this is highly essential if you're running any of the iOS 26 version. Must to update to the latest version to receive all these security fixes, so that while browsing the web, your device will not get hacked and the security risks can be fixed by receiving this major software update. And there are few features that we have already shared in our videos. So in this video, I just want to highlight about the emoji updates that came in the iOS 26.4, and the information about the 26.4.1 didn't bring any specific emoji fixes. Also, I like to give a heads up about our expense tracker app. If you are looking for any expense tracker, do check our Spensio app. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment. It is a free expense tracker app. You can record all your expenses and you can review them week-wise, month-wise, everything at one place. And you can also track your subscriptions and track your loans, EMIs and dues, everything in one app. The free version is sufficient for most users, and if you're looking to unlock all the pro features, you can go for an affordable yearly plan with the Spensio app. Do check it out. Thank you so much for watching. For more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.